This is money getting treatment, a mind conditioning treatment for everything good, the health, happiness, love, success, and prosperity, because these are the riches of life, how to be rich in every way. And again, the riches of life I define as health, happiness, love, success, and prosperity, and money. Now, this is not something that you do just every other day because your mind is constantly receiving and transmitting. You remember it constantly, and your mind receives that which is like unto its thought. Place your hands in the receptive position and repeat this with me right here and right now. I consciously condition my mind for the good which I desire. Right now, I condition my mind for health by recognizing that God in me is my health. Right now, sickness is not the truth of me. Health is the truth of me. Soundness of mind is the truth of me. Feeble-mindedness is not the truth of me. Forgetfulness is not the truth of me. God has not given me the spirit of fear, but God has given me the spirits of power and of love and of a sound mind. A sound mind is the truth of me. Health is the truth of me. Strength is the truth of me. Weakness is not the truth of me. Disease is not the truth of me. God's perfection, God's soundness, God's wholeness, God's completeness, God's totality are the truth of me.